Good morning, boys. Welcome to grade 6 math. Our topic today is topic 15, lesson 1, statistical questions. Textbook page 749 to page 754. Lesson objective. Our lesson objective today is identify and write statistical questions and then display the corrected data. Again, our lesson objective for today is identify and write statistical questions and then display the corrected data. Essential understanding. Our essential understanding for today is statistical questions anticipate variability in responses and can be answered by collecting and analyzing data. Students to work out with the numerical and categorical data and write and display the data corrected. Essential question. Our essential question is, how can you identify and write a statistical question? Statistical question is a question that can be answered by correcting data that vary. Example 1. Our example number 1 is, tell whether these two questions are statistical or not statistical. Now, question number 1. In which month is your birthday? In which month is your birthday? In this question, you can see that the answer is statistical. Why? The reason is, in this question, you can be able to analyze it and also the correct data. Perhaps you might say you are born in this month or that month, 4th month or 5th month. You can record that information and put it in the data. Now, question number 2. Who is the current Secretary General of World Health Organization? The answer is not statistical. Reason is because in this question, you cannot collect and display or analyze any data. It is only the information only. Example number 2. In our example, we are going to have write a statistical question that you could ask to gather data on each topic. Question number 1. Number of pets classmates own. In this, you can have a question like this. How many pets do you own? And that you can get the number of the pets each person owns. In question number 2, heights of the different household plants. You can form a question like this. How many inches tall is each plant? Example number 3. Omar asked the classmates how many hours they spent doing their homework, and he collected the following data displayed there. Make a dot plot to display the data. You can see in our dot plot there the number of the hours, how they are displayed and analyzed. You can be able to tell each person how many hours he took. Time to work out, boys. You can see, tell whether each question is statistical or not statistical. Question number 1, do you wear glasses? Question number 2, how tall are the giraffes in the zoo? Question number 3, how long does it take grade 6 to answer the math quiz? Question number 4, write a statistical question you might ask to gather data on the cost of a restaurant meal. Let us continue working out, boys. In this question, Hassan asked each member of football team this question. How many inches tall are you? Hassan corrected the following data that is displayed there. Make a dot plot to display the data. If you have got any problem, feel free to ask me in the Schoology. Goodbye.